30 days ago, I gave myself this huge challenge of beating the S&P 500 through nothing but selling options. I really love selling options because it fits my personality of it being very passive and low effort provided you know what you're doing. I'm already in my 30s, so ain't nobody have time to be staring at charts all day long. I have places to be, videos to make, and endless people to inspire every single day. I've also been selling options on the Moomoo app for the last 3 years, and I have slowly built my way up to a $100,000 investing portfolio, so I know a little bit about what I'm talking about. So in this video, I want to show transparently how much money I actually made, how all my trades went in June, and the common questions I get, like how I pick the right contracts to maximize profit so that you can hopefully start selling options with more confidence as well. Let's go! So this is usually what most people are always capo about. So I figured I'll just get it out of the way and just tell you guys how much money I made selling options in the last month itself, right? Since it's what everyone wants anyway. So some context as well, I am currently selling options with a $100,000 portfolio, and that's why the returns can sometimes be a little bit higher than usual. In fact, I don't know if a lot of other YouTubers are doing this with such a big amount and showcasing it as transparently as I do, so you're welcome. But I obviously didn't get here overnight. I first started off selling options with just a $10,000 portfolio, and I did it patiently just to get my feet wet and also experience how it would feel like to be assigned with 100 shares of stock at the beginning. So please don't expect your returns to be mine. I don't want you to start this journey with skewed expectations of comparing your chapter 1 to my chapter 50. It's obviously going to look very, very different. Everyone starts somewhere, and if you're just getting started, I think it's more important to learn the fundamentals well instead of wanting to really just aim for the moon and earn a lot of money immediately. It's not gonna happen that way. So all in all, in the month of June, I made a grand total of $2,623 from a $100,000 portfolio, which is about a 2.6 return in 1 month itself. Not so bad if I say so myself. Give myself a little bit of a pat on the back, but it wasn't all rainbows and sunshines because some things did become super turbulent during the month itself. And in order to execute my options wheel strategy as effectively as possible like a sniper, I realized from my day trading experience from before that choosing the right platform is incredibly important, right? Even though it doesn't seem obvious, because the last thing you want after a long tiring day at work is to come back to a laggy, lousy and ugly ass interface that just pisses you off. You need something that's friendly and easy to understand in order to execute this strategy as properly as possible. I've been personally using Moomoo for the last 3 years to sell options, and it fits me really, really well. I only want to spend 5 to 10 minutes a week selling options, so things really need to be clear and easy to use, especially when you're doing it at night, right? You have all these numbers to look at night already. You don't want to stress yourself out even more. And of course, because I like these features as well, it makes me comfortable enough to use Moomoo to sell $100,000 worth of options. But if you're the type that really loves studying for exams and you want more details about the wheel strategy, you can actually check it all out in the Options Playbook. So because you guys are very good looking and you guys are watching my video right now, as long as you fulfill these conditions, you will be eligible to collect your very own Options Playbook at any of the physical Moomoo stores. More details are down in the description box below. So if you're interested to get started, Moomoo is now running their July new user promotion where you can qualify for rewards worth up to $1,200. Assuming you deposit $3,000, hold the funds in the account for just 30 days and make one buy trade worth $100, you'll be eligible for a $40 trading cash coupon along with $40 worth of Nvidia shares if you sign up with my link down below or scan the QR code here. If you're new to options, you'll also get a $10 trading cash coupon exclusive for my channel plus 6-month commission free for options itself. For those of you who have already downloaded the app but you have yet to make your very first deposit, yeah, it's somewhere gathering dust, right? Simply search for special deposit on the search bar on the app itself, click on go and just type in my promo code Xuan to be eligible for the same rewards as well. I've left all the details down in the description box below in case you guys are interested to find out more. So this is exactly how all my option trades play out in the month of June. I executed a total of 10 trades and I'm currently selling options with around $100,000 which is around 130,000 Sing dollars. I know it's pretty mind-blowing to be doing options with such a big sum of money, but obviously I didn't get here overnight, right? Please wake up your idea. If it seems like that and all the YouTubers seem like they're making big money all the time, we obviously didn't get here yesterday, right? Just let's be realistic, right? It's crazy. Like I mentioned before, I originally started with only 10,000 US dollars, and I slowly took my time to scale up as I gained more experience and I got more comfortable. And as I like to say, everybody likes the view from the top of the mountain. Everyone wants the accolades, the trophies, but nobody is interested in knowing how hard the climb was to the very top. I started selling options without any mentorship or experience. I was just like, walking around blindly, and it was a really tough and humbling experience, especially when the stocks move against you and you get assigned 100 shares of the stock. That's when everything gets real. Everyone gets quiet and nobody really wants to talk about the options anymore, right? Because they don't want to show how much money they lost. But you guys know what I'm doing on this channel. And that's the real risk that nobody wants to talk about, since everyone is just interested in talking about how much money they made. You guys who have been watching me, you know where I stand. You guys know where my heart is. My heart is big, it's generous, it's huge, right? I really just want to do a lot of good things, and I will always try to be as honest and truthful in my journey and share the risks, the struggles, the wins, and everything I did to get where I currently am. And of course, that brings us to what happened in June, because things did get a little bit out of hand. Before this, I was mainly selling covered puts, which just means that I keep the cash ready in case I get assigned the stocks. But midway through June, the market took a nosedive suddenly, and the stocks I sold options on suddenly moved against me. And because of that, I was assigned $100,000 worth of stock overnight. Now, you can tell yourself all this BS about being prepared for that, but nothing actually prepares you for watching $100,000 disappear from your account like that and get transferred to stock overnight. That's the risk that you have to be ready to take if you want to take option selling seriously. But because I'm a big man who has done a lot of work on my own internal emotions, instead of panicking and hiding in fear, I reassure myself to say that it's still part of the wheel strategy. Just that for the rest of this challenge, I'll be selling call options instead of put options, which is fine as well. Anyway, I need more experience getting used to selling call options as well. In fact, I realized that because the stock market was doing so well last year, majority of my option positions have been selling put options, but now that things are a little bit different, it's also a good experience for me to get exposed to selling calls more frequently as well. And I'm also interested to see how I can regulate my emotions a lot better on the other side of the wheel strategy. If you want to learn more about the wheel strategy, I break down the entire wheel strategy in this video right here as well. Feel free to check that out after you are done with this video, right? Now that you know how much money I've made and what happened in June, now comes the strategic part of how to sell options effectively, and one of the ways is actually picking the right contract to sell options on. Let's take Apple for example. We're going to click on Apple, we're going to click on options, and it brings you to the options chain over here. I usually select the contract that ends weekly or monthly. In this case, let's take 17th of July. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to 17th of July and I'm going to click on that. So click on it and it will expand. Assuming you want to sell puts at 310 strike price, click on it and click on the option contract itself. If you scroll down, you will see a bid and an ask, which basically just shows what someone is willing to buy and sell the option contract for. But that's just what people see on the surface, and that's called level 1 data. Level 2 data is like seeing beyond the counter. Instead of just seeing what the first person is willing to buy for, you can see the entire queue of buyers and sellers behind queuing up, waiting to buy all the stock or selling the stock as well. So because the market is currently closed right now, usually you'll be able to see now the current price is $395 on the bid and the selling price is $415 on the ask. Behind that, you'll be able to see all the people who are stacked up wanting to buy or sell the stock as well. Maybe prices at like $390, prices at $380. These are the people who are stacking up and interested to buy at a lower price. But knowing all this is useless unless you know how to use it when selling options. I look at the spread between the bid and the ask. So for example, now that the bid is $395 and the ask is $415, which is basically a spread of 20 cents. And that's not too bad. 20 cents will translate to a $20 difference for me when I sell one put contract. But if you go to other put contracts itself, let's go to 15 July for example. It's a little bit different, and we go to the same 310 option price. If you click on that and you click on this, if you scroll down, you will see now the bid and ask looks very different. The bid is $325 while the ask is $425. That difference of $1 will practically change things drastically, because just now the spread was 20 cents, which was already a $20 difference. Now the difference is $1, which could be a $100 difference. So if you did things rashly, it could be the case where you're earning $100 lesser in terms of premium, which is insane, right? So you must know how to pick the right option contract contracts and find those with small spreads with this level 2 data. Once you have determined the contract that you want to sell, let's say July 17th, strike price 310 again, press sell, and it will bring you to this page itself. The second thing that you might want to check out is the order type. Click on that and it shows you all the different order types that's available on the Moomoo app. Basically, when you want to sell options, you got to put in an order like this, just like when you're buying stocks itself. Nothing too crazy. It doesn't mean that the order will automatically go through just because you press sell, right? Just like buying stocks. Knowing how to use the right order type also matters, and honestly, I learned all this from my day trading experiences back then. So let's say you want to use something like limit if touch. If we scroll down, you will see something over here, limit if touch, right there. It basically means that it will put in a limit order when it hits a certain price. So for example, the current price right now is $3.18. You can see from the top here. Let's say you feel that it's a little bit too cheap and you want to wait for the option contract to go to a higher price. So let's say in terms of trigger price, I put $4 and in terms of price, I put $4.10. That means if the option contract goes to $4 itself, the app will automatically put in an order to sell the contract at $4.10. If you're a bit more impatient and you want to be filled immediately, you can also use the market order right here, but I don't use it very often because it just means that you're just selling it to the cheapest buyer, which means that you will earn slightly lesser premiums. I'd rather be a little bit more patient, put in a limit order and get filled at a proper order and not chase the current price itself. Don't worry too much about getting the best price in. It's almost impossible to do so, and besides, you're not day trading or anything, and my strategy is to do all this under 5 to 10 minutes because I'm not complicating things too much. So all in all, the big question at the start of this video was, did I beat the S&P 500? If you look at the chart of SPY, you see that the market actually had a negative return of 1.29% in June itself. So right now, I'm obviously winning. But, and I want to be real with you guys, this is still just round 1. This 60-day challenge isn't over yet. The market's already showing signs of recovery. Insane what the market can do when you give it some time, right? And anything can happen in the weeks ahead. So, while I'm currently ahead of the S&P 500, the true champion hasn't been crowned yet. But it's okay. Game on, bro. I'm always ready to compete again. Stay tuned for the final video where we find out who actually wins this challenge, me or the market. I'm also going to be speaking about this entire challenge at our upcoming event, Moofest, on the 18th of July, just 2 days after my birthday. Yay, right? All the great things are happening in the month of July. So if you're interested in options and learning about how this can help with your investing, feel free to sign up with the link down below and I'll see you guys there. Come shake my hand and tell me how much I've changed your life. I'm just kidding. Just come, give yourself a good time and really enjoy yourself or the plethora of investing stuff over there. If you enjoyed this video here, then you'll probably enjoy this video here. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next few videos. Bye bye.